Let's face it, pets are family. What we feed them does matter. Pet owners expect the quality and freshness of the food they purchase to remain fresh right up to the last serving. Equally, pet food brand owners want their packaging to differentiate their product and stand out amongst what is a saturated mix of options and choices. As a premium packaging manufacturer, Layfield Flexible Films ensure your packaging delivers the desired aesthetics and lasting quality to protect the food against oxygen, moisture, and contamination, keeping products fresh, whether raw, frozen, or dried. Trends like pet humanization are transforming the market, driving demand for premium, health-conscious, and convenient options. Layfield's versatile packaging solutions are designed to meet these needs, offering a complete selection of bag styles. Stand-up pouches ideal for pet treats. Flat-bottom bags designed for that in-store shelf differentiation. Pinch-bottom bags designed for durability and standout graphics to promote kibble. Specialized raw food packaging and vertical form fill seal trays. Whether it's portion-friendly pouches or vibrant, high-definition, multicolor artwork, our in-house design team will work to provide solutions catered to today's discerning pet parents, while ensuring functionality and style for every product type. Today's devoted pet guardians look beyond quality and freshness. They also care about the impact of their choices. Along with packaging that preserves their pet's food, they prioritize sustainable solutions, making environmental impact an important consideration when selecting a brand. Layfield Flexible Films answers the call with innovative solutions, including post-consumer recycled content options and Layflex 2.0, which offers store drop-off recyclability in many regions. Our in-house graphics, extrusion, printing, bag conversion production, and distribution facilities are all located in North America. This enables Layfield Flexible Films to manage all aspects of our registered ISO quality program. Control the production schedule, develop and innovate scalable solutions tailored specific to your brand. Utilizing high-definition rotographer print technology, promotional graphics make the entire package pop and stand out, differentiating your brand from others. When complemented with tactile finishes like soft touch matte, spot gloss, and metallic shine that feel as good as they look, we can deliver high quality and innovation. Plus, functional features like resealable closures lock in freshness and keep those paws off until mealtime. With over 45 years of industry experience, Layfield specializes in custom solutions for pet food packaging, combining innovative technology with in-depth market expertise to deliver packaging that reflects the premium quality of your brand. Layfield Flexible Films, the premium partner for pet food brands ready to differentiate, captivate, and lead. With Layfield, you're not just getting a supplier, you're gaining a partner committed to your success. At Layfield, we protect.